Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this makeup tutorial using all the products that I showed you all in my previous video, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. There were a lot of hits and there were a few misses. So if y'all want to know what were the hits and what were the misses, please keep watching. So in my previous video there were a lot of skincare items as well. One of them was this Plum Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Face Oils. Now what I did was I took my moisturizer and I mixed this face oil in that and I applied it all over my face. This I've been doing every single day, you guys. I absolutely love this oil. It makes my skin baby plum. And then Plunge also sent me a few lip balms, so this is what I'm trying. They are good, they are not great, so yeah. Then we are gonna move on to the Nykaa SKINgenius BB cream. Oh my god, this BB cream is life, you guys. The first time I used it, I loved it. So I've been using it pretty much every single day when I want to, have a little bit of coverage and a little bit of something on my face, and this feels so lightweight and so moisturizing as well. I love this BB cream. You guys should totally give this one a try, and as you guys will see, it looks flawless on your skin. It literally makes your skin look like glowy skin. And I did apply this with my fingers itself. It is best applied with my fingers. Then I'm going to be using this concealer from Makeup Revolution. Let me tell you, I was very skeptical about this particular concealer, but oh my god, this concealer has literally shocked me, you guys. You will see it blends out so easily and it's so full coverage as well. It is not sticky heavy concealer, but yet it's so full coverage. A little bit goes a long way, you guys. Can you see it? I had literally applied very teeny tiny amount of it and it blends in seconds, like in seconds. I love this concealer. You guys should totally try this one out. So this particular concealer is exactly the shade of my skin tone. So I wanted to lighten it up a little bit. So I tried the Kiko Milani skin tone concealer in the shade Honey. I applied just a little bit of it because I wasn't sure about the coverage and all of that. But again, this concealer is also good, but it's a very sheer coverage concealer. It blended out very easily. It's lightweight. Everything is there. But I felt like this concealer can be a pass because it's pretty lightweight and you get very less amount of product for a very huge price. So yeah. And then I went to set my entire face with the Palladio rice powder. Now again, I thought that this powder is not going to be good, but I was pleasantly surprised, you guys. It literally made my skin look like I have face tuned, like that blurring effect. That's what it made me feel. Can you see my reaction? It's actually very good, you guys, and it's very affordable as well. So then I wanted to try this cushion product for my eyebrows from Makeup Revolution. So it's like a cushion foundation formula. It's a good formula, but the only thing is that I felt like it will dry up very soon. It is very precise as well, and it gives me that natural looking eyebrows. So it's quick and easy. So yeah, it is good, but I think I have a lot of pomades which I like better. So yeah, it's up to you whether you like it or not. Personally, I will give this one a pass. Then we are going to move on to eyes, my favorite part. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Trends Mischief makeup palette, and can you see, guys, this particular pink shade is so beautiful. This palette is amazing. It blends out so easily. It's very pigmented and has so many pop of colors. It's very different and I love it. So I went with the crushed metal eyeshadow from Palladio. Oh, this shade is so beautiful, you guys. Can you see how pigmented and metallic that is? And it's so buttery. It blends out so easily. So I did apply this all over my eyelids. Definitely tried this formula from Palladio, the crushed metal formula. They are very good. So then I went ahead with this beautiful mermaidy green color and I'm applying this on my lower lash line just to give it a little bit of a different look. And Then I went ahead with this Glitter Galaxy palette and I wanted to apply a little bit of glitter on my eyelids, and as you guys can see now, this is gonna completely change the look. I loved the glitter, by the way. It was very easy to use and it was not like very flaky. Usually glitters like fall on your face, but this was pretty much very good quality, so it wasn't like falling on my face. I did not have a lot of fallout. Then I'm going ahead with my bronzer. Now this bronzer is not the first time I'm using this bronzer. I've been using this a lot and it's an amazing blonde bronzer, you guys. It's very subtle but very blendable and soft. So if you're looking for a good bronzer, I think y'all should definitely try the Milani one. It's beautiful. And then I'm gonna go in with blusher. I'm using this Nykaa Get Cheeky blush as I showed you all earlier. I'm using the Brazilian Bombshell shade, the warmer peachy shade, and it's so beautiful, you guys. Oh my god, I love this blush. The formula is spot on, the blendability is spot on, and it looks so good. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my favorite part, that is the highlighter. This is from Makeup Revolution. So I have mixed feelings about this highlighter. I like it some days and on some days I don't like it. Like some days I feel like, okay, this highlighter is too much, a little bit too chunky, too glittery. Those are the days when I want a very natural looking highlight, and the days where I want a oomph, that is when I love this highlighter. So yeah, you can definitely try it out if you already have a lot of highlighters and you don't want to invest in another one. Y'all can definitely give this one a pass, but if you're a highlighter free, try this one out. Y'all might end up liking it, but make sure that y'all like glitter in your highlighter because this does have glitter. And then for lips, I'm using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in Seductress. I have already tried the formula of this particular lipstick before and I absolutely love it, and the color that I tried today is also beautiful. But I felt like this is a little too light for this makeup look, so I just went ahead with my Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Loved, and I just mixed the two shades and I finally achieved the perfect shade that I was looking for. So then I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with this VAUNT face mist. Again, I love the formula of the face mist, but I don't like the spray of it. But you know, it makes my skin glow, it makes it look very healthy. But as you guys can see, I just got a little bit of patch on my face because of the sprayer, so you have to keep that in mind. So yeah, this is what I achieved using all the new makeup products. I loved a lot of them. I've been using a lot of them for my regular everyday makeup, but some of them are like just sitting in my drawer and, you know, resting there, which I don't reach out for much. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what was your favorite product from this particular video, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you all in my next one very soon. Until then, bye.